Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bookmark in Adobe Illustrator. First, open the program and create a new document. For a standard bookmark, set the width to 2 inches and the height to 6 inches. Ensure your color mode is CMYK for printing, and the resolution is 300 pixels per inch. This setup provides a perfect canvas for your creative design. Remember to name your file clearly before proceeding. Now, let's design the basic shape. Select the rectangle tool and click once on your artboard to input the exact dimensions. To give your bookmark a softer look, use the Live Corners feature by dragging the small circles inward, or go to Effect, then Stylize and choose Round Corners. Don't forget to add a bleed of 1/8 of an inch around your artboard for professional printing. Next, it's time to personalize your bookmark with text and graphics. Select the Type tool to add your favorite quotes, names, or book titles. Play around with various fonts and colors to find a style that truly reflects your vision. You can also import or create vector graphics and illustrations to make your bookmark visually appealing and unique. Ensure all elements are within the safe print area. Finally, let's prepare your bookmark for printing. Carefully review your entire design for any last-minute adjustments or errors. It's crucial to create outlines for all your text to prevent font issues during printing. This ensures your design looks exactly as intended. Once everything is perfect, save your file as a high-quality PDF. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.